Hello and welcome to this episode of Marc Reads Books. Today we're going to read Peppa Pig, Peppa's Painting. If you're enjoying these videos, then please do subscribe. Peppa and George are going to do some painting. They lay out Daddy Pig's old newspaper. Hooray! Let's start painting, says Peppa. Peppa grabs her paintbrush and dips it into the yellow paint. Then George puts his hands into the blue paint. Silly George, says Peppa. Big children do not put their hands in the paint. Splat, splat. George loves painting with his hands. He prints his paint-covered hands all over the paper. Peppa loves painting with her hands too. Hee, Peppa giggles. She makes yellow patterns on her paper. Daddy Pig is holding half a potato. Watch this, he says. He dips it in paint and stamps it on some paper. Who knows what I'm painting? Asks Daddy Pig. It's a flower, cries Peppa. Daddy Pig finds his old painting things to show Peppa and George. Why are you wearing that silly hat? Asks Peppa. It's my beret. It helps me paint, says Daddy Pig. I'm going to paint the cherry tree. Peppa and George watch Daddy Pig painting the cherry tree. What lovely green leaves, says Daddy Pig. Daddy Pig mixes green and red paint to make brown for the tree trunk and the branches. Can I paint the cherries? Asks Peppa excitedly. Yes, Peppa, says Daddy Pig. Dip your finger in the paint and dot it on the tree. Peppa paints 3 red cherries. Well done, Peppa, says Daddy Pig. Now it's George's turn. What a great painter you are, George, says Daddy Pig. The painting is finished. Hooray, says Peppa. All of a sudden, some ducks run over and splash into Daddy Pig's paint. Shoo! Naughty dogs, shouts Peppa. Oh dear, the ducks have made tracks all over the garden and used up all the paint. Mummy Pig comes to see what all the noise is about. The ducks used up all the paint, says Peppa. But Mummy Pig spots something else. The tracks in the garden make the grass all colourful. Hooray! Everyone cheers. Daddy Pig, your painting is perfect, says Mummy Pig. Ho ho, I'm an expert at painting, says Daddy Pig. And so are the ducks, says Peppa. Thank you for watching this episode of Marc Reads Books. See you in the next one.